Hi everyone. Today our markets opened on a flat to positive note despite US markets registering handsome gains last night. The benchmark index then slipped into a consolidation mode and just remained unmoved throughout the remaining part of the day. In between, small swings were on both sides were witnessed, but they were not at all impactful as the overall intraday range for the day shrunk to merely 50 to 60 points. Clearly, markets have become watchful after a solid knock on Monday. Practically speaking, a lot of uncertainties like India-China tension at the border, Supreme Court's verdict with respect to interest waiver during the moratorium period, and the introduction of stringent margin systems are still looming over. Till the time market do not get clarity on this front, the range-bound movement is quite evident. Technically speaking, a sharp sell-off followed by such uninterested trading sessions generally does not bode well for the bulls. Hence, next couple of sessions would be crucial for markets to understand the next path of action. As far as levels are concerned, 11,600, 650 remains to be a steep hurdle, whereas on the low side, 11,500, 11,400 and 11,325 would be seen as cluster of supports. Let's see how things pan out and which way markets decides to move. Sectorally, banking space was a major culprit today as it started sulking right from the word go. On the other hand, IT provided the helping hand which was very much needed today and did not allow bears to dominate. So it was clearly a day of some tug of war between the market participants. Apart from this, mid-cap stocks had a great session and it provided very good trading opportunities. Going ahead, one can look to follow such stock-specific moves, but do not hold positions for higher returns. Rather, look to book timely profits. So, as far as individual stock ideas are concerned, in cash segment, one can look to buy Godrej Properties, which has been showing some kind of outperformance since last 3-4 days. It's on the verge of a breakout, hence we would anticipate this breakout to happen. Can be bought for a target of 985. Stop can be placed around 918. Apart from this, as we just mentioned that the entire IT space was buzzing today. So TCS, which is the IT giant, certainly looks good. It has already confirmed a breakout on hourly chart. So we recommend going long on TCS for a target of 23.95. Stop can be placed around 20 to 40. In the options segment, from the IT space itself, Wipro was certainly looking good, and Wipro 285 call options, which is trading around 9 rupees, can be bought for a target of 14. Stop can be placed around 6.25. Apart from this, Adani Port, which has been consolidating since last 3 days, and today we were seeing some good action around its important levels. Stock is on the verge of a breakout of 367, 368, so we are anticipating it to happen. Adani Ports September 1 380 call option can be bought trading around 11.5 with a target of somewhere around 20, and one can keep a stop around 6.4.